Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. Here we are, Kuryakyn premium boards. Great boards, you know, fit them on your fat boy, whatever you want. But as you can see here, beautiful boards. These do obviously pivot up, but you can also have them fixed, which means if you have them on the rear, they will stay up on the rear. Okay, adjustable, so you can actually have them lower, higher, depending on where you put your bolt. Okay, so basically you shove this forwards, upwards a bit, whatever. Also, as you can see here, it's a great bit of kit. This is your Kuryakyn brake pedal cover. Okay, beautiful bit of kit. Basically fits round and clamps around the original brake pedal. If you're interested in any Kuryakyn boards, etc., give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. But all Kuryakyn parts available. You can see here from our display. Here's your premium boards. You know, masses of boards, ISO wings, all your stereo speakers, etc. for your bike. Flip outs. Okay, these ones here, as you can see, got a built-in heel rest. Very cool. Your winter pegs now discontinued, but we have still got some of those. Your flaming switch blades. These again, very cool. These have got a built-in thing, so you can actually, you know, this does fold away when this ain't in the way. Okay, like this. So very, very cool. Your Kaiser pegs, the old German cross going on, and your retros. Okay, moving on to this one. Okay, we got black versions, we got your kinetics, sort of mini boards. These are adjustable again, 3 possibilities, so if you've got long feet, short feet, you can move these about. Okay, your premium boards again, these again are the ones that you just flip out when you need them. Okay, but very, very good quality Kuryakyn. These are the crash bar clamps. Okay, this allows you to move it. This particular one here is more for your baggers. This one, okay, this is adjustable for height, and that would normally come in on the crash bar. Normally this would be stuck right out. Well, by having this allows you to have your foot pegs real close or in line with the crash bar. Okay, and these here, like a stiletto peg going on here, and this is a flaming switchblade, which means you've almost got a board when this is out. Your ISO boards, very nice. Last set of these on offer, they're $175 a pair. Okay, we're obviously a lot more money than that. So if you're interested in Kuryakyn parts, give us a call. It's Mike at Custom Cruisers, 01773 835 666. Thank you.